Hello my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Well, today I'm gonna be showing you how I create this crystal pink cut crease eye makeup look. So if you guys want to know how I create this look, please keep watching. Well, my skin is already moisturized and prepped, and right now I'm using the eyebrow pencil by Maybelline. This is in the shade dark brown, and right now I'm using the concealer just to clean up the edges of my brows. And this concealer is from Maybelline. This is the Age Divine concealer in the shade medium, and I'm doing this just to make my brows look thicker and well defined. Right now I'm applying the foundation, the MAC Studio Fix Fit foundation in the shade NC40 all over my face. And right now I'm blending the foundation, and I'm using a foundation brush. And right now I'm using a damp makeup sponge to make the application more smooth. And right now I'm using the Maybelline Age Divine concealer in the shade medium under my eyes, on my eyelids, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my chin, and a little bit around my mouth area. And right now I'm blending the concealer with the help of my damp makeup sponge. And right now I'm baking my face, and I have taken excess powder on my damp makeup sponge, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder to bake my face, and I'm applying the powder on the concealed areas. And right now I'm dusting off the excess powder. And right now I'm contouring my cheekbones. Just to add dimension to my face. And also applying the contouring powder on the temples of my head. And I'm just blending the powder so that everything looks nice and smooth. Well, right now I'm contouring my nose just to make my nose slimmer. And right now I'm blending the harsh lines on my nose. And right now I'm again use the banana powder just to make the contouring even more sharp and well defined. And right now I'm dusting off the powder. Right now I'm using this shade on my eyelids, and now I'm gonna start the eye makeup. And today I'm gonna do the pink crystal cut crease eye makeup look. And I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cons on my eyelid. And right now I'm blending the shade well, and I'm just creating a wing. And right now I'm using this mauvish pink shade on the edge so that the eyeshadow melts into my skin. And right now I'm cutting the crease, and I'm using the same Maybelline concealer in the shade medium, and I'm just creating a wing. And right now I'm using this white shade again on the top of the concealer just to mattify the area. And right now I'm using this shimmery shade on my eyelid. On the area where I applied the concealer, and I'm just blending the shade well to make sure this shade covers the area. And I'm just blending it well. Well, right now I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye, and this is the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and right now I'm also highlighting my brow bone. So I have completed the eyeshadow part, and right now I'm gonna wear the eyeliner. And right now I'm applying the eyeliner, the liquid matte eyeliner, and I'm just creating the wing because I think winged eyeliner really looks nice with the cut crease. And right now I'm applying the kohl pencil on both of my upper and lower waterline, and this is the Plum Nature Studio All Day Long kohl pencil. And I'm wearing this kohl pencil just to add some drama to my eye makeup. And right now I'm using this dark violet shade on my lower lash line, and right now I'm blending the shade so that it gives me a smoky effect. And right now I'm coating my eyelashes with a mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And right now I'm also using the mascara on my lower lash line. And right now I'm using the blush. This is from Revlon in the shade Classy Coral, and I'm applying the blush on the apples of my cheeks. And also I'm applying the blush, a little bit of blush on my nose. And right now I'm applying the highlighter, the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. Look at that glow, guys. And right now I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones, a little bit on the temples of my head, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my chin, and also on my cupid's bow. I have already applied the falsies, and right now I'm wearing the lipstick. This is the NYX the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cons, yes, which I had applied on my eyelids as well. So this is the final look. you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video, and also like and share this video. I'll see you all soon guys in my next video. Bye.